IDA is a magazine for garage door company. Garage door manufacturers, they put their product, let's say Clopay or Wayne Dalton or any of these garage door manufacturers, they advertise in IDA magazines. First of all, you won't get a job installing doors because they're not going to train you. So that's the hard part. That's the tricky part. You will not get any training from them. I don't know of any other companies that are actually doing what we do. We actually mentor you through the whole program. We give you price sheets. We tell you where to market yourself, where to advertise, who to advertise with, the free advertising that's available. We put you into business, basically. We tell you all the tools you're going to need. If you need any tech support, you can call us. There's so much stuff we help you with. Whether you want to do an LLC or a sole proprietor, we'll tell you what we recommend. Even if you learn garage doors, if you don't know how to put a business together and how to market yourself, you basically have nothing. So we not only train you the right way, residential garage doors, garage door openers, and the most common repairs, we encourage you to get in your own business and we help you with going forward with that so that you're up and running. The ones that have the go-getter attitude, if you want to make great money, if you guys want to get involved with this, my suggestion to you is get involved. Don't sit around and think about it and say, oh, I hate my job now, I hate my job. You only got a certain amount of days on this planet to get rich. And if you guys are sitting around wasting them thinking it's gonna fall in your lap, you're just wasting your time. I've tried doing other businesses in the last 40 years, and it's just no business like the garage door business. You make so much money so fast and it's so easy. You back up right to the door, you don't have to go in their house. Where are you gonna get all those good conditions? You're not in the trades, you're not. Do yourself a favor, just go sign up right now. And the people that aren't signed up, I'm only going to tell you a certain amount of stuff. I'm not going to give you free information anymore of where to advertise. People are calling me wanting to know where to market themselves. You know, they want to take the class, but they want to, and these are people that are probably seeing all the jobs we do, and they're just trying to get free knowledge because they don't know how to market themselves. And that's what I'm telling you people too. You can learn how to do garage doors or any business, but if you don't know how to market yourself, you're nothing. So we're gonna tell you where to market yourself, how to do it, and you're gonna be successful in the garage door business, and you're gonna love your life, and you're gonna buy anything you want. What's holding you back? Ask yourself that. You need to make a move in life and learn this trade. That's all I can tell you. I can't tell you any more, but it's a great trade. Over and out. www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. I've been doing it over 40 years. I was trained by the right guys. We used to do jobs all over San Francisco on hills that are off 10 inches from one side to the other on a 8-foot wide door. We did everything on garage doors. So learn the right way, take the course, you do it at your own pace, and you get a lifetime access to it. Most people take 2 to 3 weeks to complete. Some people do it quicker and some people do it longer. The guy right now, I think he's the record. He's like 2 years, he still hasn't passed. Nice guy, talks to us a lot, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you guys too. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.